Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel where we teach basic of languages to young learners. Today we are going to learn about four-letter words. These words are important building blocks for reading and writing. So let's start. B-A-L-L pause. D-U-C-K duck. B-U-L-L bull. P-E-A-R pear. N-O-S-E nose. T-R-E-E tree. R-O-A-D road. B-O-O-K book. H-A-N-D hand. N-A-I-L nail. B-I-R-D bird.